pillared room in the night, lit up by halls of radiant light. From outside I've come to see your mysteries, they beckon me to navigate your columns round. Once lost to time, now is found. Who was it that built this place, this room of light and dark of space? Or was this room always here, with covered chair and shiny sphere? Immortal questions of humankind percolate inside my mind. And soon I come to stop and stare, to face my own reflection there, then settle in to contemplate upon our destiny and fate. How long I'll sit, I do not know, until I guess it's time to go.